In Power Automate, when an email arrives, trigger is great. But there's a problem. This trigger fires not only when an email arrives, but also for replies. In this video, I will show you how to prevent that using the email conversation ID. Let's take a look. First, let's update our SharePoint list. I am adding a new column called ConversationID. This will store the unique ID of each conversation that we process so that we can detect duplicates. Now let's update our flow. First, we need to get items from our SharePoint list. Here we need to add a filter query. Now we will need to add a condition here to check how many items have been returned, and if this number is bigger than 0, then we will stop the flow. Now we need to move this whole block into the false branch. Next, we need to update our create item action and include the conversation ID parameter. Now we can save the changes. Finally, let's test our flow. The item gets created as expected. Now I will reply to the same email. And as we can see, no duplicate SharePoint item was created. We can confirm this by checking the latest run. And in the condition, we can see that the length was bigger than 0. And this is how to prevent duplications when using this trigger in Power Automate. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.